to this course Basic Manufacturing Process Unit First and Lecture 19. This is the topic quenching and quenching media. Agenda for today I present a topic in this video flame hardening, stationary method, circular band and progressive method, straight line progressive method, spiral band and progressive method, circular band and spinning method, tempering, quenching, quenching media, liquid quenching. All the topic in the detail present in this video. Flame hardening. What is the meaning of flame hardening? Flame hardening stationary method. There are two methods. Stationary method. In this method, the torch and metal part both are held stationary. Circular circular band progressive method. This method is used for the hardening mm, outside surface for, of round section usually. The objective is around in front of a stationary torch at a surface speed from the 3 to 12 inch per minute. Other point with the width of the hardened band depend upon the width of the torch tip. The hardened the full length of a long section, you can move the torch and present the progress present the process over until the part is completely hardened. Each path of the torch should overlap the previous one of prevent soft spots. Flame hardening. I also present in flame hardening is continue in this topic. Flame hardening, the straight line progressive method. With the straight line progressive method, the torch travel along the surface, treating a trip that is about the sum width the torch tip. Hardened wider area you move the torch represent the process spiral band and progressive method. This technique, the cylindrical part is mounted between lathe center and a torch with the adjustable holder is around on the lathe carriage. This travel is a synchronized synchronized with the part rotary motion with processes of the continuous ba- band of the hardened. Heating the quenching occur at the same time. The number of torches required depend on the diameter of the part, but seldom are more than two torch speed. I present in continue flame hardening is a circular band spring method. The circular band spinning method. The circular band spinning method provides the best result. Hardening cylindrical part is small media diameters. The part is mounted between lathe center and turn at a high rate speed past the stationary torch. Each torch are placed inside by side to heat the entire part. When you perform the heating, the quenching as separate operation, the tips are water cooled internally, but no water spray into the surface of part. The particular ground against holding the flame torch close the surface and overheating the metal. In adjustable the temperature of the metal reminder that the flame make metal appear cold than it actually. Tempering. What is the tempering? To release the internal stress, reduce the brittleness. The internal stress and reduce the brittleness of the metal parts should temper steel after it the hardened. Tempering consists of heating steel to a specific temperature below the hardening temperature, holding it at the temperature for the required length of time, cooling it usually still air. The resulting the result strength hardening ductility depend on the temperature. Ductility depends on the temperature too. The steel is hardened during the tempering process. Tempering always follow new, near procedure the hardening operation. Besides the reducing the brittleness, temperature softening of the steel, that is true to all the steel except high speed steel. Tempering increase the hardness of high-speed steel. I continue present in this topic. Tempering continues presented when the hardened steel is reheated. Hardened steel is reheated. Tempering beginning at the 212 Fahrenheit temperature. The continuous of the temperature increase toward to low critical point. The minimum temperature time each tempering should be 1 hour. If the part is more than 1 inch thickness and increase the time is 1 hour each additional inch of the thickness. Tempering relieves the quench stress and reduce the hardness and brittleness. The temperature up to the temperature above the 4 450 Fahrenheit. 450 Fahrenheit. Above the temperature it started to decrease the tempering, increase the softness, ductility, malleability, and impact resistance. Tempering is present in continuous. Tempering is based on the oxide colors appear on the surface. Steel is heated when you are slowly heated piece of the policy and hardness steel. These color indicated the structure change for the piece of the metal and steel rod. Oxidation of oxide color for the tempering steel colors and the temperature the pure yellow. The temperature in Fahrenheit 428 Fahrenheit and 220 degrees Celsius and straw color for 446 Fahrenheit and 330 degrees Celsius, golden yellow. The temperature in Fahrenheit 469 Fahrenheit and 243 degrees Celsius. Brown color. The temperature of 491 Fahrenheit and 255 degrees Celsius. And brown triple with prepare the the temperature is 509 Fahrenheit and 265 degrees Celsius. Propel 531 Fahrenheit to and the temperature in degrees Celsius 277 Fahrenheit and dark blue. The temperature in 555 Fahrenheit to 288 degrees Celsius. Bright blue. The temperature in 567 Fahrenheit to 297 degrees Celsius and pure blue. The temperature in 610 Fahrenheit to 321 degrees Celsius. Thank you so much. In this video, I presented to the tempering process, tempering of heat treatment process in the on